right, we're back. How are you doing?
Good?
Good? Relaxed?
Yeah.
Good. Let's see. All right. All right. Have you been doing your stretches at home?
Yes?
Good. You have to get your husband involved as well.
Uh-huh.
That way it becomes fun.
Yeah.
All right, Missy. I'm gonna put this Sandra on your low back first.
This side, this side.
Right there.
Mhm.
All right. Let's make sure we get it.
Oh.
Doing good?
It hurt me.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go too hard. But the thing is, with the tension, we want to make sure that we get it, okay?
Right there.
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Feels better. I know it doesn't,
Oh,
it hurts a little bit right now,
yeah.
but this will make it feel better.
Oh, that's...
It's getting better already.
Oh,
Alright,
okay.
good. After you do your stretches, make sure you do self-massage right here as well, okay?
Okay.
Alright, now for the adjustment with her, we need to do low force adjustments because of the accident and because of her age. So what I'm gonna do, you're actually holding your pelvic adjustment. That's very good. So I'm just gonna use my handy dandy activator. Alright, let's see. Alright, Missy, we're all done here. Next step, exercising. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's just get you up. How are you feeling?
Good?
Good? Better than this morning?
Yep.
Good. That's what we want to hear.
All right.
Alright. Thank you everyone for watching.
Okay.
She's now gonna go exercise in the next room.